There are several controversial statements made by your party candidates. First, it was Punch statement by candidate from Jalandhar, former CM Channi, and now Sukhpal Singh Khera has given statement against migrant.
I don't think so. Sukhpal Khera have said anything.
He said it was not particularly against migrant.
This propaganda by BJP and other parties.
They kind of surrounded your residents today, also seeking apology. Now, will you offer them a formal apology, or do you stand by your colleague's statement?
No. I will not stand by my colleague. I totally condemn if somebody says them a Pravasi.
But given that Ravneet Bittu has given you a last moment betrayal, your party has been given a very vindictive statements against Ravneet Singh Bittu. How the social media pages of Indian National Congress Punjab, there is one song that I was listening to today, Bittu ki labda fire. You know, there was a parody song. कि पिछले 10 साल से Bittu has not done much for Ludhiana.
So that's true.
But isn't it a matter of embarrassment for Congress also, because it was after all their MP and it was work of Congress to make him work?
Yeah. That's why we are struggling. We have done nothing. Just taking a favor from this Amit Shah ji and from Modi ji, getting the houses, getting security and all that.
पर ये पिछले 15 साल से क्यों नहीं था विजन डॉक्यूमेंट?
नहीं दिया गया तो नहीं दिया गया.
Sir, Simarjeet Singh Bains have joined Congress recently, or this was the person who was taken up, who was Congress against.
कोई भी व्यक्ति कह सकता है मैं फला पार्टी की मदद करूंगा, चाहे वो accused है या नहीं है.
And the opposition that is putting up these narratives against you also called him to join the other fold, the BJP. How do you react it? वो जो ऑडियो वायरल हुई है.
हर बंदा चाहता था कि बैंस ब्रदर्स आए. बैंस ब्रदर्स ने कांग्रेस ज्वाइन कर ली, तो बैंस ब्रदर अब रेपिस्ट हो गए, अब चोर हो गए. अगर वो बीजेपी ज्वाइन कर देते तो फिर वो दूध की धुले हो जाते.
But is this the case for Ravneet Bittu also? अगर उसने कांग्रेस छोड़ दी है, now he is not working well. But अगर कांग्रेस में होते तो he was working well. Is it true? Do you stand by it?
Yeah.
कि बीजेपी कह रहे हैं 400 पार.
पहले कहते थे अब की बार 400 पार, but now they are saying अब की बार स्थिर सरकार.
Don't have a prime minister phase as of now, and people feel confused when you seek vote for them.
जरूरी नहीं है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर फेस के बिना लोग वोट नहीं डालेंगे. नरेंद्र मोदी जी तो धक्के से प्राइम मिनिस्टर फेस बने हुए हैं ना. Nobody challenge him. BJP, RSS is very much fed up with the Prime Minister.
प्रगट सिंह जी ने एक स्टेटमेंट दी थी सर कि 8 सीटें तो कांग्रेस लेके जाएगी. होशियारपुर एंड लुधियाना वी माइट लूज.
So it's a very ridiculous statement if you said this.
Then who do you see as your biggest competitor to the least?
I don't have that anything that I will measure कि कौन आएगा दूसरे नंबर पे लुधियाना में या तीसरे पे कौन होगा.
पहले पे कौन होगा?
मेरे को तो लगता है मैं ही हूँ.
Savera, this is Tinkle before you. Today we are in the industrial hub of Punjab, that is Ludhiana, and joining us today is a very special guest. He is the Punjab State Congress Chief and candidate from Ludhiana, Mr. Amrinder Singh Rajawardene. Hello, sir. Welcome to the Savera. Thank you so much. We're very grateful that after a long day of campaigning, and it is 1:30 a.m. and you're giving us time. We are very grateful for it.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much. Sir, as a chief of the state for the Congress party, you have a dual responsibility. One, you have to ensure that a party performs well throughout the state. And the second is that you are pitted against, as you label Ravneet Bittu a traitor, and you have to teach him a lesson. Now, it is too much of a burden for a person to take on. How do you deal with that?
So already dealing with that. I'm contesting. I'm contesting the election, and I feel that the way Bittu betrayed to party. So this is my job, and Rahul Gandhi says that you have to fight election from Ludhiana. I'm contesting, and I'm going here and there also for the campaigning to help my colleagues, and I hope that we'll win, I think, Ludhiana seats as well as another seats.
Since because this constituency is new to you, and also you have to ensure that
No, I
party.
don't think so. Nothing is new to me because being a PCC president, I'm very much in Ludhiana, and I have this fully network ground level. We have the mandal president, we have the block president. Proper organization system is there that I have that we have well placed before this election only. All over the Punjab, we have done that. So I don't think so. Nothing is new for me.
So you think it is all under your control. How do you gauge the temperament of Ludhiana as of now, as you go for the campaigning?
So to be very honest, what my experience says, 25 साल का राजनीतिक तजुर्बा जो कहता है कि it's like a 2012 election when I contested from Giddadbaha. First election of mine. It's the same this thing scenario what I'm looking at. That was a very difficult seat. After 34 years, we won that seat, Ludhiana seat, or that Giddadbaha seat. And the response that time, I can judge public very well. It's the same situation like Giddadbaha. And I feel that...
so you're kind of reliving your old days here.
Yeah. You can say that.
So moving on to our next question, that is, there are several controversial statements made by your party candidates. First, it was Punch statement by candidate from Jalandhar, former CM Channi, and now Sukhpal Singh Khera has given statement against migrant.
I don't think so. Sukhpal Khera have said anything.
It was not particularly against migrant, but migrants have taken in that way.
That's they are creating this propaganda by BJP and other parties. What he says, and he very much clarified. He said ki I am not against the migrants. I don't say that why they are coming to Punjab and why they are working here. They stay here and whatever they feel like they will do that. But only I am talking about the another state's law. What Himachal law says, what Rajasthan law says, what Gujarat law says, ki that outsider will not buy any property in Himachal without Himachali, without the. If anybody wants to buy any property, then there is a special this thing permission.
Criterias.
Yeah. So he said this thing only. Otherwise, what I said, because he is not a Congress president, I very much clear कि हमें कोई एतराज नहीं है. प्रवासीज हमारे भाई हैं, वो उनका पूरा अधिकार पंजाब के ऊपर है. And Ludhiana जो भी है, just because of प्रवासी.
They kind of surrounded your residence today, also seeking apology. Now, will you offer them a former apology, or do you stand by your colleague's statement?
No. I will not stand by my colleague, and my colleague, I don't think so. He said anything against the Parvasis. I am with the Parvasis. What I say is that अब प्रवासी नहीं है वो. They are not Parvasis. Now they are staying here from last 20 years. Now they are very much Punjabis. So I totally condemn if somebody says them a Parvasi. So मैं उनके साथ हूँ. प्रवासी नहीं है वो, अब पंजाबी हो गए.
Okay. So, sir, coming back to Ludhiana seat, it is now a matter of prestige. It is a battle of prestige now. The Congress has to win this because,
हर election prestige का होता है. Not only Ludhiana.
But given that
13 seats मैं समझता हूँ कि वहीं पर 13 की 13 सीटों पे हमारा prestige लगा हुआ है.
But given that Ravneet Bittu has given you a last moment betrayal, and your party has been given a very vindictive statements against Ravneet Singh Bittu, how do you see that? How will that work in your party's favor?
Who give that vindictive
Like we can see, witness on your social media accounts, also on the social media pages of Indian National Congress Punjab. There is one song that I was listening to today, Bittu ki labda fire. There was a parody song. कि पिछले 10 साल से Bittu has not done much for Ludhiana.
So that's true. That's not my social media pages are saying. That's every Ludhianvi saying.
Do you agree he has not done anything for Ludhiana in last 10 years?
He don't have anything to say now. People are asking what you have done for Ludhiana, tell me. So he don't have any answer.
But isn't it a matter of embarrassment for Congress also, because it was after all their MP and it was work of Congress to make him work?
Yeah. That's why we are struggling. Yeah,
So are you
that's there.
looking for a-
Yeah. No. That's there. That people feels that he belongs to Congress, and being a Congress member of Parliament, he have done nothing. Uh, just taking a favor from this Amit Shah ji and from Modi ji, getting the houses, getting security and all that. But I think he failed to serve.
Coming to the house controversy also, he raised 1 crore and 83 lakhs overnight to pay off the penalty. How do you see
That's
that?
why I'm
That is a
asking
huge amount.
from where you getting that money? Either BJP is paying, either he have lots and lots of money. I think it's a matter of the inquiry.
Do you not think EC should take cognizance of it? Election
100%
Commission.
EC should.
But is EC doing their job properly in these elections? Given that many notices
So I
have...
don't want to say anything to EC during the election time. You understand? If I said something, that means.
Okay, let's move on to our next question, sir. You have recently shared your vision for Ludhiana. Drive it. You know, D stands for the dedicated office, rejuvenation, industry, and environment, infrastructure, and lot many things. These issues have been very much persistent in Ludhiana for ages now. Given that Congress was given 15 long years in Ludhiana, but couldn't they have done a bit since during these?
I think first time only the member of parliament vision document is there. Otherwise, there is no vision document. So मेरे को लगा कि now it's a need कि.
पर ये पिछले 15 साल से क्यों नहीं था विजन
I
डॉक्यूमेंट?
don't know.
कांग्रेस को इतना सपोर्ट किया गया बाय लुधियानवीज एंड नाउ दैट यू गो टू डोर कैंपेन एंड दे कंप्लेन यू दैट वी डोंट हैव इवन क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. बहुत स्मेली पानी आता है. यू गेट ऑल दीज फीडबैक्स, राइट?
नहीं दिया गया तो नहीं दिया गया. मेरे को लगता है कि जो मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट लड़ना चाहते थे चुनाव, ये उनकी ड्यूटी बनता था कि वो विजन डॉक्यूमेंट अपना देते. हमने ड्राइव इट के नाम से अपना विजन डॉक्यूमेंट दिया है और दैट इज़ वेरी मच ओपन नाउ ऑल्सो. आज भी मेरे को इंडस्ट्रीज वालों के कुछ ना कुछ नए सजेशन आए हैं. हम उनको उसमें ऐड ऑन करेंगे.
How are you planning to work for the betterment of industry since Ludhiana is dependent on industry?
So look, I met Mr. Pava. He is into cycle industry. He said कि production of cycle in India, that is 2.5 crore रुपया. If you talk about China की 30 करोड़ की प्रोडक्शन है. चाइना 24,000 का अपना साइकिल बेचता है एंड जो लुधियाना है वो 3500 का साइकिल बेचता है अपना. इट्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस एंड व्हाट दे से इज कि इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ द पॉलिसी कि आपको हिंदुस्तान की सरकार के साथ बात करनी पड़ेगी. इट्स अ पॉलिसी मैटर. अगर वो नहीं ठीक होगा तो हमारी इंडस्ट्री बैठ जाएगी. तो धीरे धीरे जो उनके मुद्दे हैं, इट्स बुड्ढा नाला, इट्स अनदर बिग इशू. ट्रैफिक, इट्स अ बिग इशू. Even industrial cluster, it's a big issue. Groundwater, it's a big issue. So ये तमाम issues हैं.
How do you plan to address them in 5 years if voted to power?
That's a difficult question, but हाँ, if it is a government, जैसे लगता है कि सरकार हमारी आ जाएगी तो फिर तो पहले साल ही ये तमाम मुद्दे ठीक हो जाएंगे. Because मेरे को नहीं लगता कि सरकारों में ये मुद्दे रिजॉल्व ना कर पाए हम लोग. इजीली हम रिजॉल्व करेंगे इफ अगर सरकारें नहीं आती हैं तो देन वी हैव टू सी, वी हैव टू फाइट. पार्लियामेंट में जाके अपनी बात तो रखेंगे एंड मेरे को लगता है कि हम सरकार को जो भी आए उसको कन्विंस करने का काम कर लेंगे.
Coming back to the politics of Ludhiana, sir, Simarjeet Singh Bains have joined Congress recently, or this was the person, you know, who was Congress against while the Captain Amrinder Singh was Chief Minister. Now he is rape accused and Congress has given him invite in the party.
So देखो कौन किस नहीं, it's a fundamental right. Anybody can join any party. Anybody कोई भी व्यक्ति कह सकता है मैं फलां पार्टी की मदद करूंगा, चाहे वो अक्यूज्ड है या नहीं है. सेकेंड, व्हाट आई फील कि अक्यूज्ड तब तक नहीं है जब तक अदालत कोई फैसला नहीं करती थी. 2 केसेस से सिमरजीत बैस के ऊपर. 1 इट्स रिजॉल्व, खत्म हो गया है. या एलिगेशन, कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति नहीं है जिसके ऊपर एलिगेशन नहीं है पॉलिटिक्स में. तो उसको रेपिस्ट कहना जब तक अभी तक जो उसके ऊपर इल्जामात सिद्ध नहीं हुए, तो मेरे को लगता है ये जायज नहीं है. Let court decide.
And the opposition that is, putting up these narratives against you also called him to join the other fold, the BJP. How do you react it? वो जो ऑडियो वायरल हुई है.
हाँ, तो वो मेरे कहने का मतलब कि वो हर बंदा चाहता था कि बैंस ब्रदर्स आए. When बैंस ब्रदर्स ने कांग्रेस ज्वाइन कर ली, तो बैंस ब्रदर अब रेपिस्ट हो गए, अब चोर हो गए. अगर वो बीजेपी ज्वाइन कर देते, तो फिर वो दूध की धुले हो जाते.
But is this the case for Avneet Bittu also? अगर उसने कांग्रेस छोड़ दी है, now he is not working well. But अगर कांग्रेस में होते तो he was working well.
हाँ.
Is it true? Do you stand by it?
Yeah.
Okay, moving on to our next question, sir. Congress is stating that if BJP will give 5 kilograms of ration for free, and we will offer 10 kilograms to 82
Congress
crores.
said,
Congress said,
that is in our manifesto.
Yes.
100% will give 10. पहले 5 भी हमने दिया ना. That's right to food act.
जी.
That
was
is why
brought by
Manmohan
UP.
Singh government only.
Absolutely. And then they have also promised under the Mahalakshmi scheme 1 lakhs to women of every household.
Approximately 8,500 to
per month.
8,500.
8,500 per month. And opposition is alleging कि इतना पैसा कहाँ से आएगा?
16 लाख करोड़ रुपया इस देश के जो कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर्स के लोग हैं, जो विलफुल डिफॉल्टर थे, हिंदुस्तान की सरकार ने, आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने उनका माफ कर दिया. हम गरीबों को लाख रुपया नहीं दे सकते. और ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने जो कहा है वो करेंगे.
So math has been done.
100%. पी चिदम्बरम जी इसके चेयरमैन थे. तो बिल्कुल ये तमाम बजट को, रेवेन्यू को देख के चीजें जो बनाई गई हैं तभी बनाई गई.
बिल्कुल. सर, मूविंग ऑन टू माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कि बीजेपी कह रही है 400 पार. हाउ डू यू सी देयर स्टेटमेंट्स?
नाउ बीजेपी इज नॉट सेइंग दैट 400 पार. नाउ दे आर सेइंग, पहले कहते थे अब की बार 400 पार, बट नाउ दे आर सेइंग अब की बार स्थिर सरकार. आई थिंक 5-6 days बैक अमित शाह ही वाज सेइंग कि भाई अगर सरकार बन भी जाती है तो जो सरकार अगर बन भी गई तो हर साल इनको प्रधानमंत्री बनना पड़ेगा, बदलना पड़ेगा. तो मेरे को लगता है कि अब ऐसी बात नहीं है. द वे प्राइम मिनिस्टर भाषण देते हैं, ही सेड कि आपका मंगलसूत्र सुरक्षित नहीं रहेगा, ये अंदर अंदर की घबराहट नजर आती है. बिकॉज देश के प्रधानमंत्री को ऐसा भाषण नहीं देना चाहिए. तो देश के प्रधानमंत्री को कहना चाहिए कि मैंने ये किया है और आगे मैं ये करूंगा. ऐसी कोई बात है ही नहीं प्राइम मिनिस्टर के पास. तो अब की बार 400 पार का नारा तो फेल हो गया है.
But talking of prime minister phase in स्थिर सरकार, but this is true in a way. You don't have a prime minister phase as of now, and people feel confused when you seek vote for them. How do you respond to it?
प्राइम मिनिस्टर फेस है या नहीं है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर जरूरी नहीं है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर फेस के बिना लोग वोट नहीं डालेंगे. नरेंद्र मोदी जी तो धक्के से प्राइम मिनिस्टर फेस बने हुए हैं ना. नोबडी चैलेंज हिम. दोनों की जोड़ी है. अदरवाइज ये बीजेपी के लोग ही बता सकते हैं कि क्या वो चाहती है. और जिस प्रकार से फिगर डाउन हो रहा है, मेरे को लगता है कि अगर मेजॉरिटी नहीं आएगी, जो लगता है कि नहीं आएगी 100%, तो देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी नहीं अब बनेंगे. उसके बाद अगर बीजेपी की सरकार भी आई, तो आई थिंक बीजेपी और आरएसएस इज प्लानिंग टू bring somebody else. Might be Gadkari ji, might be somebody else. But I don't think so they will form the government.
Arvind Kejriwal has also given a similar statement. He said that they will bring Amit Shah.
Because no, I don't know about that Amit Shah, but BJP, RSS is very much fed up with the Prime Minister.
Okay.
And every BJP leader.
So we already know that you are running low on time. Coming to our last question, since India bloc seems strong in Punjab as of now, what numbers are you projecting?
So I don't project any numbers, to be very honest, but what I feel that Congress का जो number होगा वो सबसे बड़ा number होगा.
Or let's twist this question. Who do you see as your biggest competitor to the least in Ludhiana only?
यार ऐसा कुछ I don't have that anything that I will measure कि कौन आएगा दूसरे नंबर पे लुधियाना में, या तीसरे पे कौन होगा.
पहले पे कौन होगा?
मेरे को तो लगता है मैं ही हूँगा.
अच्छा, प्रगट सिंह जी ने एक स्टेटमेंट दी थी सर कि हो सकता है होशियारपुर और लुधियाना हम लूज कर जाएं, बट वी आर गोइंग टू विन 8 सीट्स इन लुधियाना, इन पंजाब. हाउ डू यू सी दैट स्टेटमेंट? ही इज योर पार्टी वर्कर्स.
When he said that,
He said it in a recent press conference कि 8 सीटें तो वो कांग्रेस लेके जाएगी, होशियारपुर एंड लुधियाना वी माइट लूज.
I don't think so. It's a very ridiculous statement if he said this.
You don't stand by it. You don't endorse it at
Why
all.
he said that, I don't know. You are saying this thing. कहाँ पर कहा उन्होंने?
In a press conference recently
press
held
conference?
in Hoshiarpur, I suppose it was held in Hoshiarpur.
I don't think so. मेरे को लगता नहीं ऐसी स्टेटमेंट देनी चाहिए बिकॉज एक सीजन पॉलिटिशियन तो ऐसी स्टेटमेंट नहीं दे सकता
Seems
है.
a senior leader from Congress party.
I don't know. I'm not aware.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. Thank you. We're extremely grateful. So that was the Congress candidate from Ludhiana, and all the statements will come to test on June 1 and will be available us to see on June 4. That's all for now. For more major updates and continuous coverage of elections, stay tuned to the Savera.